This has been such a great year. No bandits, no crazy customers, just a good day. Well, I'm just going to wait here for customers. Well, I don't see any customers. I'm just going to go now. I'm just going to go check over here, clean some items. Ooh. Okay, time to go polish it. Okay, I'm coming. Where'd they go? Oh no! Oh no, this hasn't happened in such a long time.
Okay, I got some money. Let's put it in my bank account.
Oh, it's time to go on vacation. Okay. Well, this is going to be a good vacation at the beach.
I'm finally back home. I haven't been here in 7 years.
Oh, this is such a great vacation. I feel so good. I can just hear the birds out there. I have to take a break since it's summer now. Let's go.
Is that the police in the chair?
I need to go to get a swim. Wait a minute. Is that the bandit? It's only been 7 years. You're supposed to be here for 3 more years. I'm going to get you. Come here. Come here. I'm going to get you. Come here. I'm going to get you. I'm coming. Come here. I'm going to get you. Why does this take so long all the time? Come on. Where'd she go? She ruined my vacation. Maybe she went down here? Oh, maybe over here. I think she went over here. Let's go.
I lost it. Let's go. I think that cop is looking for me. I gotta find a new home.
Yeah? Hello? Oh, I know the bandit escaped. I tried getting her, but I just couldn't. Yeah, I already know. Wait, they stole from your store? I remember them stealing that brown car. It better not be another car or that precious, really good dog toy that's really expensive and could buy every single house with it. Okay, well, I'm just trying to find her. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty hard. What? Whatever.
Up here looks like a good home. This looks like a nice home. I could put all my stuff I stole here, and then this could be like my bed or something. Nice lamp too.
I think she might be over here. Maybe. Oh, she covered it back up. Oh, I can't get this gel off. What? Come on, it's closed. No wonder she escaped. Where'd she escape from? Did she escape from over here? Where did she go? That's where she probably escaped from. Come on, bro.
Okay. might be my kitchen.
Where
Like,
could
oh,
she
yeah.
be? I might just try going back to the beach. I mean, like, she doesn't cause too much harm.
I'm really tired. It took a really long time for all that work to... This dirt is so heavy, this is gonna take ages. I'm finally freed! I'm finally done! But that's kinda tiring.
Where could she be? Maybe she's up here? It's been such a long time. She's sleeping. I'm going to drag her.
Huh? What's happening?
Go!
Oh my gosh!
Come here! Where's she going? Oh no! Where'd she go? No, I lost her. Oh, why does this always happen? Yeah, I'm just going to go back for my summer break.
I should start staying away. Let's go explore a bit. Why is there so much builded off over here? Oh my goodness, I need to get in somehow. That's so pretty and shiny. How am I gonna get in? Nothing's working. How strong is this? Yes, I think I got in. Yes, I got it. Hopefully no one sees it right here. I still have this Doug the Bug thing. Maybe I could put it inside the head. Yeah.
Run, quick! We need to hide. Go!
Go in my house.
Yeah.
Or no, my kitchen. He's never looked at my kitchen. He knows where my house is though.
Okay, let's hide in here.
Okay, hold on. Gotta be extra careful.
Come on. Let's hide in this corner.
Let's hope he doesn't find me.
What is that? I see something shiny. I'm gonna go to it. Oh, it's so cool. Wait, let me go check. I hear something. It's another robber.
Very yummy.
Hello there.
Oh, hi. Would you like some bacon?
Yeah. Could I have some?
Here you go.
Thank you. I've been really hungry. I escaped from jail earlier. So tasty.
Dang.
Let's go. Fist bump.
All right.
Nice. What's that shiny
Wanna
thing
work
you
together?
stole? Yeah, let's work together.
Oh, I found it in here.
You found it in
I found
there?
it in there.
Okay. I think I saw that, but it was in some kind of barrier. How'd you get it?
I like broke the glass.
Cool. That's pretty cool looking. Could I live here with you? It's pretty inside.
Sure.
I like how shiny this trophy looking
Yeah.
thing is. Where'd you get
I've been
that trophy
trying to
thing?
get some more shiny things.
Do you want to help?
Yeah, but were you by any chance locked in like a jail.
Was
by
that
a blue
you?
Cop.
Yeah.
Like,
Oh,
Like
that
with the hat?
pesky cop. Yeah. His name is Sheriff Jeffrey, even though he's a cop. I don't know.
oh,
He
That's
trapped
weird.
me in here. I saw you at the other side of the room. Was that you?
wait, I think I saw a green monkey.
Yeah. Well, we were friends. It's been such a long time. I was taken out and put in the cemetery.
Oh, I was still in jail. I mean, I only did like 1 or 2 bad things. I just need money.
Same.
What
Let's
if we just jump
go.
from there?
Let's go and steal more things and probably find that cop and beat him up. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. More shiny things? He might be in here.
Wait, I see. Whoa, look at these.
Cool.
look
I'll
nice.
take these, put them in my pocket.
And my old house was at the beach. So,
Cool.
But I'm probably not going back.
Wait, I think that's the cop. Look, come. I think it's the cop.
What?
Beat him up. It's his. No, please don't hurt me. Ah! We did it. Let's go. I think he's knocked out. I don't think he's dead, though. Oh, no. I don't feel so good,
Wait.
though.
Oh, I hope you're okay.
They fed me raw beef, I think.
Oh, that's a... wait, are you okay? Wait. No, wait, did you... oh,
Tell this to my family.
What?
I loved them.
What? No! That was my best friend! I'm gonna have to bury him to do.
Huh? Where am I? Huh? Hello? Oh, what happened? All I remember was someone knocking me out with a friend, I think. Oh no. Here, you could come with me. You want to be friends?
Okay. I mean... Sure.
I'm sorry
I only
for putting
have
you in
2.
jail. Here.
No, I deserved it.
Yeah. Well, yeah, I'm going to put it back. Boop. Here, let's go and let's surprise the shopkeeper. Let's go.
Okay.
Do you want to go on a summer break? Here, pack all your stuff. Let's go.
I mean, the only thing I have is that gold helmet, and I have it, like, in my pocket right now.
Okay, let's pack up everything. Let's get your bed. Whoop. And your bag of fruits. Okay, I'm going to grab all of your other things. And is this your kitchen?
Yeah, but the only things in there is my pan and just old bacon. But it's not that old.
Here you go, pan, the oven, the fridge. Here you go. There's some forks and spoons. Okay, you ready to go to your old home? I think I know where your old home is.
Oh yeah, I remember.
Okay, isn't this your home right here?
Yeah, over here.
Okay, let's pack your bag and stuff.
The only thing I really have in my home, they're warm.
Okay, I'm going to grab my bag. Okay, so where do you want your bed? Here, I'll put your bed right here. I'm going to make it like my
Yeah,
house.
that's a good spot. I was gonna put, like, right here was like my kitchen. So I'm gonna
Okay,
put that-
I'll put your cabinet right here. Boop. Your fridge could be right here. Boop. Your oven, your sink. There you go. And I'll put your apples in this cabinet, and bananas in this cabinet, and strawberries in this cabinet. And I'll give you the big pineapple that I found this morning before I found you again. I'll put it right here in your balloon pile.
Okay.
Bye, see you later. I'm going to go on my trip.
Okay, here's a blueberry.
Thank you. Thought she was bad after all.
Really miss this of him. I need to call his parents. Hey, is this Mrs. and Mr. Robber? Yeah. Hope that y'all have a good day or night. Bye.